Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we got an idea about the DAX syntax in Power BI. In this video, we will be learning about Power BI with a special focus on DAX functions and their applications. The agenda will cover what DAX functions are and their different categories and how we can apply them to solve real business problems. Let's get started. DAX functions are the pre-built formulas that we use inside Power BI to manipulate data, perform aggregations, create custom calculations, and most importantly, to derive insights from our data. Just like Excel formulas, Power BI has DAX functions, but they are much more powerful because they work with data models and relationships between tables. DAX functions are divided into various categories depending on their purpose. They include aggregation functions, text functions, logical functions, filter functions, date and time functions, and relationship functions. The if function is used when we want to apply a condition. This is the syntax of an if function. The average function is used to calculate the mean of a column. This is the syntax of an average function. The sum function simply adds up all the values in a column. This is the syntax of a sum function. The sumx function is a little different. It takes a table and an expression and then applies the expression row by row before summing up the results. In this example, we will use if, average, sum and sumx functions to create calculated columns, measures and visuals. Let's get started. We will go to the Power BI desktop. Now we will go to the table view and go to the new column to create a new calculated column. We are using the if function here. The name of the column is sales category and we are using if condition. We will select sales quantity and if the quantity is greater than 10 then it is large, otherwise it is small. After clicking enter, our column will be created successfully. Now we will create a new measure here and give it a name, that is average price. We will use average function here and use products price. After clicking enter, our measure will be created successfully. Now we will go to the report view and select a card here. And in this card, we will use the average price measure. Now we will go to the sales table and create another measure here. The name of the measure is total sales and using the sum function, we will select sales quantity. The last measure of this example is revenue and this measure will be created by using the sumx function as shown here. Just like the other measures, we will create a visual here. We will select a card and use the revenue measure here. If we want this in numbers, we will go to the format your visual and here display units we will select as none. And that's it. In the next video, we will implement another DAX application example. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.